Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to get back old Instagram chat theme. Let's go. Many users may have customized their Instagram chat theme and want to revert it back to its original look. It's easy to do. First of all, open up the Instagram app. Then go over to your direct messages by tapping on this button at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap and select the chat where you want to set the theme back to the default look. Then tap on the person's name at the top left. Then tap theme. What you want to do next is scroll down. Now you'll see a section called Colors and Gradients. In that section you'll see an option called Default. Just tap on it. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Instagram chat theme back to default. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.